ever wondered how some small businesses manage to thrive online while others struggle to gain visibility? Consider this: over 90% of online experiences begin with some online research, and a staggering 75% of users never scroll past their first page of search results. These stats highlight a critical aspect of modern business success, where your business ranks on search engines can significantly impact your online growth. So let's delve into the realm of SEO, that is search engine optimization, and uncover whether it holds the key to unlocking growth for your small business. Let's start the video by understanding what is SEO. At its core, SEO is strategic practice of optimizing your website to improve its visibility in search engine results. This involves a comprehensive approach from keyword optimization and technical improvements to content creation and link building, all aimed at attracting organic, that is unpaid traffic to your website. However, SEO is not just about securing the top spot on Google. It is about connecting with your target audience at the exact moment they are searching for products or services like yours. Now, let's talk about different aspects of SEO. Imagine you own a local bakery known for its bread. Potential customers often search online for best bakeries near me or freshly baked bread in your city. If your bakery consistently appears at the top of search results for these queries, you will likely experience a steady stream of hungry customers visiting your shop. This shows the potency of organic search traffic. It brings you highly relevant visitors who are actively seeking what you offer, without the need to pay for each click. Cost effectiveness: maximizing your marketing budget. For small businesses operating with limited marketing budget, SEO presents a cost-effective solution. Like unpaid advertising, where costs can escalate quickly and traffic stops once you pause the campaigns, SEO continues to work you for overtime. By investing in creating valuable content, optimizing your website structure, and earning quality backlinks, you are making a lasting investment in your online visibility and brand authority, driving trust and authority. In an era where trust is the cornerstone of business success, appearing prominently in search results can significantly enhance your credibility. When potential customers see your website listed among the top results, they perceive your business as reputable and trustworthy. This increased trust can lead to higher click-through rates, conversions, and ultimately loyal customers. By consistently delivering value content, engaging with your audience on social media, and showcasing positive reviews, you establish yourself as a leader in your industry, reaching your ideal audience. Consider this scenario: you run a boutique specializing in handmade jewelry. Through SEO, you can target keywords such as unique earrings or handcrafted necklaces. When someone searches for these specific terms, they are actively looking for products that align with your offerings. By optimizing your product pages, blog posts, and landing pages around these keywords, you attract visitors who are more likely to convert into customers. This targeted traffic not only boosts your conversion rate but also helps you build a loyal customer base over time. Long-term benefits: sustainable growth and ROI. By consistently implementing SEO best practices, staying informed about algorithm updates, and updating your strategy accordingly, and insights. One of the greatest advantages of digital marketing, including SEO, is the ability to measure and analyze your efforts. Tools like Google Analytics provide invaluable insights to your website's performance, including website sources, user behavior, and conversion rates. By leveraging these analytics, you can refine your SEO strategy, identify areas for improvement, and capitalize on emerging trends to further enhance your online presence and profitability. In conclusion, SEO is indeed worth it for small businesses looking to grow their online presence and attract more customers. It is not just about higher ranking in search results. It is about connecting with your audience, building trust, and establishing authority in your industry. By investing in SEO, you lay the groundwork for long-term success and profitability in the competitive digital landscape. Start optimizing your website today and watch your small business flourish in the digital age. That's all for today. If you found this session helpful, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.